Hello everyone, welcome to Stitching Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley. Today is January the 6th, 2021. This is my second video today because I got Mary Maxim. So I got a mystery box, or mystery bag, and a couple other things. I was going to have my son cut it open and he said that the tape's the best part of the unboxing, so here we go. My old school 1980s scissors still work. Okay. Battery's running out. Okay, some paper. I can use it. My husband's machine shop for packaging, so double whammy. This is my invoice. I'll tell you guys how much everything was. A couple little thingies and a coupon, which Maxim usually sends. This is my, I think, third order that I've ever had from them. Okay, so first I ordered two things. Sorry for the crinkles, but that's, like the tape, that's the best part, I think. Okay, so I ordered two things that aren't part of the mystery box. I'm going to show those real quick, and then I'll show the mystery box. So I got two of these. The Mary Maxim amigurumi. I think it was just orange. Down inside of there and I can't tell. Anyway, it's number 3, but just Mary Maxim. I got, these were 99 cents each, and I got two of them so I can make a little pumpkin man for next Halloween. I also got, it was also 99 cents, the Bernat Handicraft Cotton. I just wanted to try the Bernat. I've never tried it. It has, this is the color Mod Ombre. It's number 4, and there are 71 yards. So I just ordered those two extra. Ready for the good stuff. These are some of my very favorite colors, just right off the bat. Grays and blue. Okay. And down on the bottom there are some patterns. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 patterns. I'm not sure. I don't want to show them because that's not cool, so I'm not going to. So just know that if you get Mary Maxim, you get a coupon and patterns. Oh my gosh, there's sparkles in here too. Okay. I may need to order another one of these. My last one was not this pretty. It was the last. I've ordered one other mystery box, and it was more like browns and dark reds and things. These are all of my favorite colors. Okay. There you go, baby. Then I got Candy Shop yarn. I've never tried the Candy Shop. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, their mystery box is $29.99, and I had, they sent me an email, and I had a code for free shipping. So I got the mystery box, mystery bag, and the other 3 skeins of yarn that I got for $32.96. Okay. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. I brought my handy dandy sanitizer, even though I just touched that to my face, but this is why I'm prepared. Okay, so the Candy Shop, it's 260 yards. That's a 4-weight. This is the color Blue Raspberry, as I'm sure this one is. Yes, they always kind of hook you up with some similar items, some like things, so you can make something. These are so soft. I had no idea the Candy Shop was that soft. Yay. Okay, I got this last time also. It's hard in here. thought this was a card. I got scissors. Little folding scissors. How special is that? I'm dang sure ordering another one of these. Okay. I got some Maxim Scrub It, which I had this before. I'll just show you. This is the shade that I got last time. It's kind of like a rusty red color. This is the color Aqua. I'm loving all of these colors. There's 76 yards. It's 100% cotton. 4-weight. Okay. I got, I think, 2 of these. That's incredibly soft. Oh, yay! Fair Isle Port, which I've wanted to try the Fair Isle yarn. There are 152 yards. It's 50% cotton and 50% viscose, made from bamboo. Super soft. It's a 4-weight. This is the color Crystal Blue. So soft. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, what is this? Okay. There's so many good things. Okay, I have 3 of these. This is the, I'm not gonna butcher it. It's this. Yeah. Okay, there are 100 grams, 60 meters. I'm not really sure. I got 3 of them. It's very, very soft. It's, I don't know if it has the weight, but I'm gonna say it's probably a 5 or 6. It's pretty thick. I don't know. It doesn't really have, it's not really in English, so I'm not really sure what it is. It's gorgeous though. I'm loving the grays. Okay. And sorry for the crinkles. I was trying to get them all together. I can't believe I got scissors. That's so cool. It came with scissors. Okay. I got 2 of these. This is the Queensland Collection Sunshine Coast. We'll do a secret yarnery, one for you, one for me type thing. Okay, there are 290 yards. It's a superwash merino and bamboo blend, which I'm excited. I've never had bamboo before. This little goodie bag here. It's a 3 light. This is the color Kangaroo Island. That's so pretty. Very cool. Oh, there are yardage, I guess. I don't know how many yards, so maybe that's, yeah. Okay, there's those. Oh, very pretty. I got the Lion Brand Vanna's Glamour in the color Sapphire, which I'm all about. That's pretty. It says that it is a fine #2, made in Turkey. There are 202 yards, and it suggests using a 4mm crochet hook or a 3.75mm knitting needle. But yeah, I'd say that's a 2. It's really thin. It's really pretty. I don't know what I'll do with that, but I'll find something. Okay. And then last, but certainly not least, I have 3 of these. Same thing. This is like the gray one. Oop, I dropped one. It's like the gray that I got. I don't want to butcher it. This one, okay, the nickname on this one is Burn. and the nickname Bern, and the nickname on this one is Diana. So maybe that's the colorway. I don't know. So 100 grams. It says it's, I don't know, like I said, it's not in English. I dropped one. Anyways, I got 3 of those. That is gorgeous. It's like magenta and kind of an orange, purple. Oh, there's blues in there. Girl, there's blues in there. Look how pretty. Oh, I like that. Here's some. That's really pretty. I don't know what weight it is either. It's a little thicker, maybe a 3. Anyway, oh my goodness. So excited. They're all colors that I love. Purples and blues and gray. Baby blue, which is my favorite. These are awesome. These, okay, this real recap. Candy shop, so I got 2 of those. Got 3 of these. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 skeins of yarn for $29.99. Oh, and bonus scissors. Those are awesome. I have another set of these in my sewing kit. I don't ever want to take them out of my sewing kit because I love them so much. So I'm excited that I have those too. And plus some really cool patterns that I'm going to check out here in a minute. Well, I guess I can give you a basic idea maybe. There's, okay, the Bella wrap. There's this old school and it looks like a bowling shirt. Sweater. That's really cute. Here's a couple of Afghans from Yarnspirations. Perfect. Hang on. I'm going to try to show you and not show you. You know what I mean? Oh, look. Okay. Those 2 Afghans. This super cute little poncho. This one, which I'm really excited about too, is a little amigurumi bee. And if you watched my last video, I've been needing to make little amigurumis and hats. And so, yay. So I have some of this stuff and I'm thinking I'll do some really cool hats. Like maybe some of these, this pretty gray or these blues. So I didn't really have a lot of wood colors for my hats, so that is awesome. As soon as I can, I need to get back on there and order another mystery box while this is maybe still kind of what they have, because it seems like if you order some at the same time, then it's kind of the same yarns. If you order them like throughout the year, then they're maybe different. Like I said, these are completely different than what the only thing that I got last time that I got this time is the Mary Maxim Scrub It. And this actually is something that will match my kitchen, unlike this kind of rusty color. And you can tell I've tried to use it and it's okay. I'm not a real big fan, but I'll try it with this color for sure. So that's my mystery box. I'm really excited, really happy with it. So maybe I'll be coming back with another one. I don't know. So thank you guys so much for watching to the end of my Mary Maxim unboxing ramblings, I guess. And I hope you all have a very blessed day and stay safe. I'll see you next time.